What is up guys, Planet this side. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add monday.com to Base44. So first head over to your Base44's website and then just simply log in with your Base44 account credentials. And for that, when you're logged in here at the top, you will see the integration section. Click on this integrations and then here you will see monday.com. Click on this monday.com and after that, you require a API key to connect your monday.com to the Base44. So from your this monday.com project, you need to head over to settings and then in the new tab here, you will see the apps of monday.com. But if you can't see directly, you can just simply type in /app/manage and then you will be redirected to this page of monday.com's app. From here, you need to click on API token and then here you will see the API token. Simply copy this and after copying this, you just simply need to head over to base44 and then you need to paste it here and name your secret API key. I'll go with Monday and after that I'll click on add API key and when I'm done here I need to enter the implementation guide and as I've shown you to enter the integration guide simply click on save integration after that and here as you can see the integration has been created successfully. So this is how you can connect your monday.com to base44. That was all for this video everyone. Thank you for watching.